Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's Cody Carpenter here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a favicon for a landing page in ClickFunnels. So in the previous video we made this landing page, CLA safflower oil. I did a super simple landing page. I didn't put too much time into it, but I want to show you guys how to make your landing page look more professional by adding a favicon. And a favicon is, this is the preview of the landing page. The favicon is this little icon up here. I'll zoom in for you guys. It's the default favicon is the ClickFunnels logo, but we don't want that. We want something else. So I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create a very simple favicon. And I'm just going to go, okay, so I'm at canva.com. Just Google it. It's absolutely free. Create a design. I'll actually go back to home. Custom dimensions is up here. I couldn't really see it, but I will go 50 by 50 and then I'll create a new design. And right away it'll just give you a blank white canvas to work on. And you can search for elements like a bottle, because CLA safflower oil comes in a bottle. So there's a bunch of free elements that you could use. I could throw this in here and expand it a little bit. So that's one option. And this is just an example. I don't think I'd use that 'cause that's like a wine bottle or something. How about weight loss? I'll just type that in. Maybe I want this to be my favicon. And throughout Canva, or I could use that even. Throughout Canva, they'll have options for you to buy different icons if you want, but honestly doing something simple like a headline, oops, why is that way up there? Okay, something simple like this would even work. I'll bring down the font a little bit. Just writing CLA and moving it to the center, because anything will look better than the ClickFunnels logo. I'm not saying it's a bad logo, but you just want to have a custom favicon. So another thing you can do is come to backgrounds and choose a background to go underneath the CLA logo. So something to keep in mind is what colors are you using on your landing page, and maybe try to get that exact same color to use for your favicon. So in the previous video, ColorZilla, it's just a little extension for Chrome that picks up any color you point to, and it automatically copies the specific code that you need. So I'm just gonna choose this headline color, and it copied to the clipboard. Come back to Canva and edit the color, document colors, and just paste it in. And that looks a little darker, but that looks better. So that is very close to this color. And I'm going to download it by hitting publish. Nope, hitting that download. And first I'm gonna give it a title because I like to be organized. CLA safflower oil favicon. Favicon or Favicon, I don't know which way to say it. I've heard so many people say it Favicon, and then other people say Favicon. But I'm just gonna say favicon, I guess. Then all you have to do is save it, and it'll download. Come back to ClickFunnels and exit out. And then all you have to do is go to digital assets, and then add a new asset. Choose file, then choose the favicon that you just made. Give it a name, CLA favicon, and then add it. And what this does, it kind of just hosts your image for you. And then let's go down here. And then you can just come down here and grab the link. So hit the dots over there and just copy asset path. Now all you have to do is go back up, go to your funnel, click on your funnel, and then go to settings, and then it'll ask for the Favicon URL, and you just paste it in. And then click Save and Update Settings. So give it a while and then preview the page. And right away it'll show blank, but then you see it changes to the CLA that we just created. So that is now our Favicon. So that just looks a lot better than the ClickFunnels Favicon, and it makes your landing page look more professional. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Just a super simple tip that will increase the professional feel of your landing page. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.